Hi, I'm Maya, and today we're going to be learning about converting percentages to fractions. So for today's example, we're going to be converting 12.5% into a fraction. Percentages can be thought of as out of 100, which is what I've written here. We can remember this by thinking about the word percentages, and within it the word cent, which means 100, or if we think more than that, we think about the word century, which means 100 years. So if we have our percentage here now, what this means is we can actually write 12.5 like this, 12.5 out of 100. And that actually is a fraction now. But if we have a decimal as a numerator, it can be a little difficult to work with. So what we now want to do is actually sort of get rid of that 0.5. And we would do that by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 10. And that would leave us with 125 over 1,000. At this point, you'll want to simplify your fraction. And we would do this by finding the highest common factor, or you might hear it abbreviated to HCF. In this case, that number is 125. So we would do 125 divided by 125, which gives us 1 for the numerator. And then we would do 1,000 divided by 125 for the denominator, which gives us 8. So our final answer is 1 over 8.